Hello friends, let us continue with our problems in Physics 101 Mechanics in our Kinematics, problems in 1D motion. Problem 4 we will solve. A car travels at 300 meters in 10 seconds while it is decelerated at a rate of 0.5 meters per second square. Determine its final and initial velocity. Let us do that. So now here, first of all, I have told you always write the equations. V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, this writing the equations until we get a practice of the equation. Okay, always when we solve easy problems, what we have to do is we have to be conversant with equations initially. When the equations are by heart to you, then problem solving will be much easier. Okay, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now next we will go with what is given. In this given is car travels at 300 meters, s is given which is 300 meters, time is given which is 10 seconds, and deceleration means it is acceleration, negative acceleration. Okay, so it is minus 0.5 meters per second square is the negative acceleration which is there. Okay, and what is asked is we have to find u and we have to find out the v, initial and final velocity. So let us see the equations. V is asked, so a question mark on that. U is asked, A is given, T is given. But here in this equation there are two unknowns, so we cannot use this right now. Right. Next let us see the second equation. S is given, U is not given, T is given, acceleration is given, T is given again. So we can use this equation. Let us not waste our time to go for the third one. Let us go directly to finding out to this equations. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Let us look at this half at square. Let us put the substitute these things. 300 meters is equal to u is not given, time is given as 10 seconds, right, plus half into acceleration is minus 0.5 meters per second square, and then time which is 10 seconds. Now when you do the simplification, you get 300 is equal to u plus 10 plus, so here 10 square, I'm very sorry, here we have to put a square here, so this comes out to be 25, not positive but negative, because minus 25 is there here. So half of 0.5 0.25 into 100, which is 10 square, will give you this. So you get 10u is equal to 300 plus 25, 325, and u we will get it as 32.5 meters per second. So understand this, students? So we have found the initial velocity, right? Now how to find the final velocity? We could use this equation also, because v is not known but all the other things are known. So we could use this equation, but here we have to deal with squares, and here also this is known now, so we can use this. Here we don't have to deal with squares. So better equation is the first kinematic equation to be used. So we will write it as v is equal to u plus at, and u is given as 32.5, acceleration here it is plus, so we will have plus, acceleration is minus 0.5 into time which is 10 seconds, is it not? So this would be equal to 32.5 minus 5, so which is equal to 27.5 meters per second. So we have found u is equal to 32.5 and v is 27.5. That means initially it is starting with higher velocity, because of deceleration it is reducing in its speed. I hope you have understood this problem. So we are starting from the very beginning, very basics, and building up the difficulties. So I hope you have enjoyed this, students. Thank you very much.